Good afternoon, Dr. Butterfield here. I need to talk to you about what I'm going to call the fallacy of price shopping. I've had people call in and they're shopping around for a naturopathic doctor, and the only question they ask me is, "What's your price?" Which seems really silly to me because I don't think they understand what they're getting. Uh, they didn't ask about my credentials. They didn't ask about how long I've been in practice. They didn't ask about my methodologies, my philosophies. All they ask is price. And I don't know, and I want to talk about supplements as well, but let me finish this thought. But I don't know if they think that all naturopaths are the same. It is that way more so in some other professions where, and I could be wrong on this totally, but if you're shopping around for a plumber, an electrician, I think you generally expect kind of the same kind of services wherever you go. I'm sure that there's difference in quality and customer care, and it's really important to ask questions, to know what you're getting, and make sure it's going to meet your needs. Another great question that I think you should ask when you're shopping for a naturopath is, have you treated my condition? Have you treated it successfully? Is this something you feel comfortable treating? Could save you some time and money to ask some of these questions first. I want to talk also about the fallacy of price shopping with supplements. Now, I am all about getting the best value. So I want the best price, and I do the best I can to find the most economical supplements I can, but they have to get the job done. So most of the supplements that I use for most people are pretty economical, and then I've got what I call just some top shelf supplements that are more therapeutic, and they're higher grade, more clinical grade, so when we really need to get the job done. So I had a patient come in this week, young girl. I think she's young 20s, like 22. And for the first time in her life, she just feels awful. And it scares her. I can see the look in her eyes. It's only been, 6 or 7 weeks. And I asked her, well, what changed? Did something happen 6 or 7 weeks ago? You've been healthy your whole life, and all of a sudden you feel terrible. She said, someone recommended I take vitamin D and some other supplement, fish oils, that's what it was. And so she went to, I think, Walmart or something like that, and just bought Spring Valley vitamin D and fish oil. This threw her into the space of the worst health she's ever had in her life, just from taking these supplements for a few weeks. You have to understand that poor quality supplements can be deadly toxic. They can be very toxic. I've talked to some of my colleagues about this. They can really put you on the wrong track. So first off, when you want a supplement, you want something that's going to get the job done, but they can really send you in the wrong direction, be a toxin, and make you spiral downward. Honestly, it's very challenging to find high quality supplements as a consumer. And so I do my best to make life easier for you. I've considered doing for a while now a series about supplements, so I can help you supplement shop and which ones I consider to be the most important. But I've tested just hundreds of supplements, and I test them all on myself, and I talk with my colleagues about these, and we do our kinesiologic testing. So we have a lot that goes into choosing these supplements. And if I make a recommendation and you just go grab any supplement off the shelf at your local health food store, or worse, Walmart, or even Costco supplements are not very good. I'm a big fan of Costco and Kirkland, but their supplements are terrible. If you just go grab something, it's not necessarily going to get the job done. You have to stop doing that. The other thing to consider with that is if you get a recommendation from your health practitioner and you go buy your supplements from someone else after that practitioner gave you the recommendation, you're really cutting their legs out. Most health practitioners are small businesses, family-owned businesses, and if you go to Amazon to get your supplements for $1 or $2 cheaper, you don't be surprised if your practitioner either has to raise their prices, or if they can't stay in business. These are really tough times for a lot of people, and you want to support your practitioner. Okay. So buy from them. I know in my case, I have a couple of websites that you can buy from. You can choose from a whole variety of supplements, but I still get a little commission, and I appreciate that. If I prescribe something, if I'm helping you out, it does help me to stay in business. We're a small business. But also, I've vetted the supplements. I know which ones will work, and I know which ones are going to hurt you. The other one is essential oils. So I've been using those more and more in my practice, and I've been very impressed with the results. I've just been using Young Living. I found them to be extremely high quality. I'm really impressed with the Young Living oils. I'm sure that there are other great oils out there, and I'm glad to test them. With any supplement, I'm glad to test it. You bring it into the office, I'll take a look at it, we'll test it, and we'll see if we can make it work. But don't be surprised if it doesn't. There is a dramatic difference between quality between brands, so with all this. So I hope I can help you be a better consumer as far as your health goes. These things really make a big difference, and if you're going to be investing money anyways, make sure that you're putting your dollar to the best use. Okay, I'd be glad to answer any further questions about this, and in the future I'll make some follow-up videos about specific supplements and supplement lines and essential oils and so forth. Thanks for watching.